Alright, we're going to do a test here with the AC180 and this refrigerator. It's already pre-chilled. I've had it on. We're going to turn it on now. Oh, I have to. There we go. Okay, we're going to turn it on. It's 35 degrees in there right now. The Bluetti is at 100%. It is Wednesday at 12:42. We're going to see how long the Bluetti will run this refrigerator. Okay, I realized after I done a video that I had still had it plugged in. It is not plugged in now, and it is 12:44. So basically 12:45, we're going to start it up, see how long it'll run. Right, update on the Bluetti. We are now at 6:57 the following day, so 31 hours and some change in. 67% battery still, and it is still staying where it's supposed to. This thing is going to end up doing way better than I originally thought. I know when I bought this thing, I had said that it would run for 30 hours. I was going off of what this told me. It when the refrigerator kicked on, it told me 30 something hours right there. But I guess with the fridge cycling off and on like it does, see, like right now it's showing 15, 16 hours, but it's moving up and down. When this fridge gets back down to temp, that thing's gonna kick off for a while. So we've been staying at about 1% battery, a little bit more per hour. So that is fantastic. See, this is what I was talking about. You can see my output is back to 0 again. The thing is back down to temperature, and it's showing again 99.9 hours left. So this thing saves a lot when the refrigerator kicks off. Y'all, it is 3:01 p.m. on Saturday afternoon. We're at 19%. Fridge is still running. This thing has far exceeded my expectations. All right, here we go. It is finally at 0%, and the refrigerator went off. It is Sunday at 11:07. Let me figure up those hours, and I'll give you guys a review on this. All right, so we're at the end of the test with the AC180 running the refrigerator, and after figuring everything up, we ran that thing for about 94 hours with the refrigerator at 32 degrees is where it was set. 94 hours, which of course that was it was inside my house the whole time, so the ambient temperature wasn't that high, but that is still extremely impressive. That is almost 1% per hour, just a little bit more. So I think that the Bluetti is a win, because I never am out on an adventure for more than 2 or 3 nights anyway. So I think it's gonna do just fine in the old yonder Jeep for our adventures. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. We'll have some more gear reviews for you guys in the future. And give us a like and a subscribe. You guys have a good day.